Hey everyone, welcome to the 18.3 compliance planning recording. My name's Ian. I'm currently the PM for the compliance group here at GitLab, and joining me today is Nate, who is the EM for the compliance group here at GitLab. Today, as per usual, we'll be talking through the items that we'll be delivering for the 18.3 milestone. I'll be walking through the features and the overview of those features, and Nate will then talk about the work that will be done to get it out by the 18.3 milestone. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see on our priority list, there are three features listed there. So the first one is around link violations to framework controls. As mentioned in previous videos, what we're doing at the moment is to associate certain audit events to controls and highlight them as compliance violations. And we'll be surfacing this in the violations tab of the Compliance Center. So we hope to be able to get all the work done and released in the 18.3 milestone. The second feature that we have there is instance level compliance and policy management. So for those that have been following the last few releases, this has actually been a joint initiative with the security policies group here at GitLab. And in 18.2, security policies did release their beta of instance level compliance and policy management that focus solely on having security policies at the instance level and being able to manage multiple policies across multiple groups. And for the 18.3 release, we will be completing the whole puzzle by essentially releasing compliance frameworks so that now together with both security policies and compliance frameworks, you'll be able to manage both of these at the instance level and be able to create and distribute frameworks and policies to all of your groups within an instance. And finally, we'll also be continuing with cells, and we hope to wrap up the work around cells for the 18.3 milestone. So that's me. I'll now hand it over to Nate to chat through the work to be done.
Perfect. Yeah, so the first one that we discussed there was the lot violations work. In 18.2, we had created the violations engine, which uses the audit events in the background to trigger violations based on your frameworks. So that engine has been built behind a feature flag. We also have the table, excuse me, the table of violations showing up behind a feature flag. So in 18.3, we just need to complete the final pieces of a single violation page. All of the back-end work has been completed, so it's basically just waiting on that front-end work, and then we can test and release that feature out in 18.3. Next one was instance level compliance management. So in 18.2, we had been working on the sync engine and the APIs for that. And this, we have that mostly done now. So what's left is to complete the final, um, a little bit of back-end work there to just make sure that all of the syncing of frameworks across the top level groups is working correctly, and then a few of the little front-end bits that need to be done. Again, they'll be looking to complete that test and roll that out at the end of 18.3. And finally, the sales work. So we've been working on key set pagination for this, which has been merged, and we're now working on the offset pagination. This is currently in development, and we hope to get that out, and that is the final piece of the overall works that we can roll out this. This will bring some significant, will hopefully bring some significant performance improvements as well to our audit event APIs. But yeah, that's it. Back to you, Ian.
Awesome. Short and sweet. Thanks, everyone. And we'll see you at the next video.
Catch ya.